Hi everyone, Darren Conrad coming to you from Conrad's Harley-Davidson, and we are looking at a 2024 Harley-Davidson SOFTAIL FATBOY in Billiard Gray. Has that FATBOY emblem on the tank. Has a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8. The aluminum slotted front wheels. Has a gray pinstripe on it to offset that billiard gray. LED front light. This one has the adjustable knob for the rear suspension. It also has a 240 millimeter rear tire. Get a good look at the other side. This billiard gray has a resemblance to the original 90 FATBOY that was gray. Going way back. That was the first year, 1990. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 1-815-725-2000, or visit us on our website at www.conradshd.com.